Yep. Yep. It's freaking hot out, man.
I need a way to cool down.
Yeah. Still got that tarp in the back of the truck?
I think I got that tarp in the back of the truck.
We got access to water?
Yep.
I think I see a hose right there, bud. Thinking what I'm thinking? Oh, I'm thinking what you're thinking.
Pool time.
Pool time. After this beer, though. What's going on, guys? We are finally doing something we've been wanting to do for a long time, the truck pool bed. So we got this bad boy about half filled at the moment. We're gonna cut it soon, and then we're gonna put that tarp in Dave's truck, get going on that. Luckily it's a little cloudy now, but it's super hot, so we're gonna cool off and have some fun with it. So let's get the tarp in Dave's truck and get that filled up.
What you doing, dude?
Oh, what's up, dude? Get the swimmy trunks on.
Swimmy trunks, bro? Oh, yes, dude.
Woo! Dude, I want to just send it.
Woo!
And blow it off, dude.
Teddy Brewski, my guy.
Oh, this is
Oh, Dave, how you feeling, bud?
Oh, chilly.
He's got the cold water.
Dave,
we're in here.
Buy 10, bud?
I feel like the sun on the cold water feels good. But this is sick, guys. Just be able to hang out in the back of an F-250, F-150. Nice cold water on a hot day.
Goddamn right.
Go get yourself a tarp from Home Depot, and that's it.
This is a $50 adventure.
12 by 16, and that's a 16 by 20.
Yep.
So right now the 12 by 16 looks like it's doing just perfect.
Yep.
Oh,
Yeah, you look pretty comfy in there, Dave.
it's so fucking cold though.
You got cold beer coming in.
You know, ice water recipe. So
There, cans of shandy.
Here you go, bud. Here you go, bud.
Thanks, bud.
Here I go, bud. I mean, she's a big girl, but
Big Bertha.
we're not.
It's already sagging a little bit, but that's about what we want to put it at. So yeah, we're just gonna drop a squat. Oh, that's it. I'm gonna just hang out.
Oh, dude, that's minty.
That nice.
Oh, it's so nice, though. All right, Wes. That's pretty cool, right?
Yeah, I mean, nice and relaxing. Not too exciting, but it's good on a hot day, you know. I mean, we got to do something a little more exciting, I'd say.
Yeah. What do you guys think? Should we do something more?
Go for a drive, bud.
Go for a drive, bud.
With the water in it? Yeah.
It's the only way.
Let's do it.
Put her to high idle.
4 low.
Ah.
All right, let's do it.
Let's do it.
The following shenanigans are performed by professional idiots on private roads and are for entertainment purposes only. Careful consideration into truckload capacity and the effect of full sending it with a shit ton of water in the bed was taken. Any action taken as a result of watching these clips may cause serious injury, could damage the vehicle used, and is at the viewer's own risk. Do not try this at home.
But it's a hell of a lot of fun, though.
Asphalt's hot.
Water's hot, buddy.
How is it?
Awesome.
All right, let me jump in.
You might want to hold that camera nice and high.
Oh, the asphalt's way too hot. Oh, this is where it's at.
Got no leakage.
Okay, he's going. He's going a little bit. Go left. Out of here.
Oh, this is for life. Oh, we're going for a little ride. All right.
Should I send it a little bit on the way back?
You won't. Didn't go bad. Basil!
Alright, Zach was not kidding when he said he was going to send it.
Who was F-150 you said? Pin it!
Got a death camera here. Got a little water on. It was like a F-150. Dude, on that fall pull, all the water was pouring.
Dude, it almost brought me back there.
Yo, nail those geese.
Pin it and lock the brakes, you won't.
I don't think
That's how we die.
great idea. I would put that window up if you plan on doing anything.
How did I not go in the window?
Oh my god. I need Zach to experience this.
Awesome! You gotta be back here.
Yeah. Water we got left though.
Plenty. Plenty of water. We barely lost any.
There goes the water. Nuts! Fast were you going?
That was some oomph, let me tell you.
Down there. Over here it's like 40.
You gotta be back here. He's gotta drive, or I gotta drive. I'll just kill us all. You know, no big deal. All right, we're swapping out Wes for Zach. Zach's gonna experience this, what he did to us.
You boys ain't getting back. Oh, send it on the brake, please. What are you doing? So we're just chilling out in the back of the truck right now, taking a quick trip to Taco Bell. Holy shit!
Pin the brake, touch the gas a little bit, and send her.
Oh boy.
Hat's doing just fine.
Successful day of the pool beds. Time to unload.
All right, boys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Nice. Oh God. Put it up against it.
It's a heavy boy tailgate.
All right, guys, that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.